enter your train. Stay. Just sit down. It's a train ride. Everybody doesn't need to be in one place so that we can occupy different places in media. Access. Okay. Well, just calm down. Just calm down.
They didn't let me. Can you imagine?
Content now. I know. The next station, National Arts Theatre Station. Mind the gap. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Make sure you are not forgetting any of your personal belongings. Your phone, your personal bags. This is the National Theatre. It's going to stop for 90 seconds. 90 seconds.
I'm so happy and I'm part of this good as in boarding for the first time a metro line in Lagos State. I feel good, I'm excited, and also I think I need to thank the Mr. Governor for doing a good job. Kudos to him and kudos to the entire Executive Council of Lagos State, and also I want to appreciate Lamata for bringing this to life for us to see today. It's a great pleasure to be part of the team, and I really think that things is really working in Lagos State.
Tap it there, don't tap it, don't test it. Yeah, tap there. Use the other card. There you go. No, use yours, use yours. Let her use the next one. Let's go.
Okay. We're going to board.
Sorry, hold on.
This is one of, I'm sure you're all excited. It was smooth ride. I conducted everybody well on the train as the head station controller on this inaugural ride, and we advise people, not to forget their personal belongings on on the train when they are disembarking at their various train stations, and also to ensure that when they're disembarking, that they watch the gap, right? And they also ensure that they tap out at their various train stations. So I think it's been a wonderful experience for me personally this morning, and I'm sure almost all the 500 or 800 passengers that are on this ride, this morning. And I think it's a great experience, right? And it's now work for everyone, that is in Lagos. And you can see that the whole place is well secured. There are men of Nigerian police there. There are neighborhood watch, and they also have their own private security operatives that are on there. And it's clean, the stations are clean, and we're good to go. With your carry card, we're good to go.
All right, thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go ahead.